Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit special because I finally bought my soft boxes and this is the result. I am filming in a room that is kinda dark and I am very happy with the result of it. So I thought, how many times did you wake up late for work or school, or you actually woke up on time but then you spent way too much time scrolling through Instagram? That happens to me a lot and I thought I would show you kind of the basic makeup I usually do in only 10 minutes, but let's get kind of real. Most of those days I do nothing at all. So yeah, I wanted to show you how I get from this to this in only 10 minutes. So if you like this kind of videos, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. But without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so while I was in the bathroom, I prepped my skin, just washed it with a face wash, put on some moisturizer, and I wet my beauty sponge, and I am setting my phone for 10 minutes. So let's get started. Okay, so in 10 minutes I guess you can kind of do a spray primer, and I am going to use concealer first and then a powder foundation. Just pressing the primer in place, and I'm using a concealer from Kiko. This has a nice coverage and I have a little bit of redness, so I'm kind of trying to correct that as well. It on my lid as well, just with what's on the sponge. So my under eyes are better and my redness too, and as I've said, for foundation I'm going to use a powder one. So this is a little bit of coverage from the foundation, and I'm already mattifying my skin and setting the concealer, so that's kind of very fast. A little bit more in here. Okay, so should have probably used this. My brows, I'm only using a colored gel. This one is the Make Me Brow from Essence. And only how many minutes left? I got 6 and 40 seconds. Okay, so for bronze and highlight I'm using this palette from I Heart Revolution. This has a nice bronzer and highlight. If you are very late, I guess you can skip some of these steps. Okay, I'm leaving the palette open and I'm going to take a little bit of blush from the Revolution Gradient Highlighter. This is a very nice peachy shade. but I'm just applying a little bit, leaving it open as well. And I'm doing my highlighter now on my brow bone. Doesn't have to be too precise. And for my eyes, got 5 minutes, and I'm going to take a liquid eyeshadow. Just put a little bit on the lid, and I'm blending it with my finger. Okay, so now on my eyes, I am taking a fluffy brush and I am taking a little bit of the bronzer on my crease. And I'm adding a little bit of that peachy highlighter. Got a little bit of liquid eyeshadow there. Don't want it, beauty blender. And finally, I am taking my finger on that highlighter shade on my inner corner. And just a little bit more on the brow bone. Okay, so we got 3 minutes. I'm going to use a setting spray. And while that's drying, I'm taking a little bit of black pencil on my waterline, just the outer corner. Okay, so I smudged it a little bit, that's great. And that happens, so take a little bit of the powder foundation and put it in there. Okay, 1 minute and a half. Some mascara. Don't have time to curl the lashes now. As you're in a hurry, just try not to stab yourself in the eye with it. I got a little bit of mascara there, but you can take that off on your way to work or to school. And finally, I am taking a NYX Butter Gloss, got less than a minute there. And we're done. Okay, so final results. I did make a little bit of a mess with the fixing spray, was still a little bit too wet, and when I went on with the kohl liner, and got a little bit of mascara there, but as I said, sometimes that happens. You gotta let it dry and take it off on your way to work or to school. So yeah, I did let it dry for a little bit and I scratched it off. This eye is a little bit dark in here, but let's just pretend that is meant to be. And as I was in a hurry, I didn't put my contacts. So yeah, this is the finished result. And what I usually do is I take the powder foundation and the brush and also the lip gloss with me. And yeah, this is a very simple, quick and easy look. And if you have just a little bit more time, you can be a little bit more careful with your mascara and things like that. And if you're in a hurry, you can skip some of this, or you can even skip all of this. Just moisturize your skin and go out the door. You're beautiful, because that's what I usually do most days. So yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what is your 10 minutes in a hurry makeup routine. If you want to see more of me, then click this button right here to subscribe to my channel and join the world of BeautyCraft. Also, there's one video that you might want to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!